Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Apple Vision Pro with glasses or vision prescription. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So this is an official article of the Apple Store or the Apple website, and here we can see or we can learn how to safely use the Apple Vision Pro if you have some vision condition or you are using glasses or vision prescription. So basically, to use the Apple Vision Pro with any type of vision need, you will need you have only two solutions. Either you can have like some lenses, some optical lenses, as you can see. You must either wear contact lenses or you can purchase these optical inserts. And basically, those are some refined or some special optical inserts that can be inserted on your Apple Vision Pro so you can have your uh, vision needs met. So basically, you can just consider your medical needs, etc. And then you can just go to the Apple Vision Pro and then learn and just buy these optical inserts. So basically, to have these accessories, you can just go to your web browser and just type by Apple Vision Pro. It's just type by Apple Vision Pro, and then you can go for the Apple Vision Pro here or just this one where we can find our accessories. So this is the shop Apple Vision Pro. Here you can find these optical inserts. You click on it, and basically, as you can see, they are only inserted directly to your Apple Vision Pro. Then you click on Get Started, and here you will need just to answer some few questions so you can see if your vision condition is compatible or is supported on the Apple Vision Pro. So basically, you need just answer the questions. So just do whatever you like, just answer. And here you can find the type of these optical inserts that you will need are prescription. So basically, then you click on continue and just click on continue. Now you can start enter your current light seal size. So you can have your own size, for example, and you just continue and then you grab your iPhone or iPad to scan this one so you can have your uh, lenses that will be ordered on the Apple Store. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.